Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my brand new October 31st mini book project kit. So first we will take a look at the completed project, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. You'll find a link to purchase the project kit in the description box of the video down below. As always, my Layle by Mail mini book project kits include all of the product that you need to put the project together, along with color step-by-step printed instructions and access to a 3+ hour video where I make the project right along with you step by step. All right, let's get started. So I am using the brand new, literally brand new, hot off the press, hot off the manufacturing line, I guess you could say, mini albums from Doodlebug. So I'm super excited to incorporate that into my latest project kit. So after we go through the project, I'll show you the contents of the album. We'll kind of have fun with that. Also using the Spooktacular Halloween collection from Echo Park. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. We're using some really fun ribbon to hold that book closed. As we look at the cover, the kit includes a die cut October 31 piece, and then also additional die cut bats that you adhere over the top of the black bat. So those are like a gold, kind of a gold glitter paper. As we move to the inside, there are lots and lots and lots of interactive elements, pockets, and things, room for many, many, many different photos in this particular project kit. So you'll see both the inside front cover as well as the inside back cover. You have side pockets where you can add photos, memorabilia, whatever you'd like. We're working with an assortment of pocket pages in the project kit. So we're altering several of them. And this is one that we're altering to make it a little bit of a different shape. Great classic Halloween colors with some fun mint and teal built in. So it's a great, great, great Halloween collection from Echo Park. That little interactive element there, room for lots of photos. Another little interactive one here with our little witch is flying off the side of the page. Another interactive here. The Doodlebug pocket pages are a little bit different than some other pocket pages you may have worked with in the past. They are side loading as opposed to top loading. What that means is we can do some fun things like this, create some interactive elements because they are side loading. Here's another one of those, another side loading. So we're able to work with a 4x12 piece in that particular example. The albums are amazing. They have so many different inserts as part of the album when you purchase, but this one, this is a page in the album. It is a pocket where we're kind of trimming the page down a little bit. This is another pocket, so this is a bottom pocket, and it's nice, very nice, sturdy cardstock bottom pocket. You have another version that is a side pocket. Lots of great pocket pages, doing some things with some clear acetate, creating some interactive elements. The chipboard dividers, so there are actually 5 chipboard dividers in the albums. I've only used 3 in the project, but those are really fun to work with. Nice, very nice, heavy duty kind of white cardstock, white chipboard, I guess I should say. Another little interactive element there with that banner. Here is another version, another view, I guess, of what we're doing with that acetate, the clear acetate. So it's kind of fun to create a pocket. And then your photos show a little bit through the pocket. Using some of the packaging on one of our spreads in this example. But as you can see, it is just a super fun, nice Halloween, obviously a Halloween themed collection, that Spooktacular Halloween. There's another one of those bottom pockets, doing a little interactive element here, giving us room for lots of photos. Another interactive element here, a little waterfall. Another little interactive element here with that side loading pocket page. A little door here. And then this guy, this is something that I used to do quite a bit when I was doing planner classes years ago, but taking a full sheet of paper and making a pocket out of it, kind of a pocket folder. Another side pocket there, another little interactive element there, and then that way as well. And there's our inside back cover. All right, so like I said, tons of interactive, room for lots and lots and lots of photos. So in a project like this, you could be documenting this Halloween. You could be doing a October daily. where people will do kind of a different story, photos from each day in the month of October, the 1st through the 31st, or you could just maybe do your favorite Halloween costumes over the years, or your favorite Halloween memories over the years, whatever it may be. So that is the completed project. Now we will take a look at the contents of the kit. So there's a ton of product that I have included in this kit. We'll take a look at that album in a second. All right, as we open that kit, you have, as I mentioned, color printed step-by-step instructions. You also have an exclusive printable that I put together. So we'll have lots of word strips and things to play with as we create our project. You have a yard of that wired pom-pom ribbon, a baggie full of an assortment of gold stars. So some large gold foil stars and then some smaller gold glitter stars. So quite a few of those in there. You have that 6x12 really heavy duty acetate piece. Then you have your October 31st and then the coordinating bats. So these are sandwiched very carefully in between the products I just showed you in that first page or the first piece of paper in your kit. So as you're opening your kit, you just want to be careful, especially as you are pulling those away from that paper. Those are a little bit delicate, so we don't want those to tear on you. You have a single 12x12 sheet. Originally, I had plans to do the die cut out of this. So I had already ordered enough of this for the kit and then kind of changed my mind. So we do use that sheet, but you'll see you have the collection pack, which is 12 double-sided papers, and the 12x12 sticker sheet. Also that paper as well. So you'll end up with 2 sheets of that. As we look at that collection pack, so 12 double-sided papers, nice high-quality cardstock, great icons, your cut apart pages, stripes and homes and plaids, and of course your pumpkins, a nice spider web. Get that shadow away, it's shadowing us a little bit there. A number of different cut aparts, which are really fun to work with. I loved those ghosts, they were so fun. A little diamond pattern, the witch legs with their striped stockings, and kind of a skeleton. The 4x6 cut aparts with some fun 2x2 little squares at the bottom there. A fun little kind of graveyard scene. That probably didn't, that sounds odd, doesn't it? A fun graveyard scene, but that's what that was. Dancing skeletons with a really fun stripe. Coffin, a little kind of people in costumes in coffins. Again, it's Halloween, so that sounds perfectly normal to say, right? There's that second sheet of that pattern that I showed you at the beginning. Your 4x4 cut aparts with a nice dot on the back. And then your people in costumes with a nice orange tone-on-tone star. Then you have the 12x12 sticker sheet. Then you also have a pack of the coordinating solids. So with the coordinating solids, you have 2 sheets each of 3 different colors, but there are 2 colors on each side. So basically you're getting 6 colors. 6 sheets. So you have dark orange and then the mint. You have pink and then the black. And then you have light orange and then the teal. All right, so let's take a look at the album. This is one of the Doodlebug brand new 6x8 mini albums. It fits your 6x8 pocket pages. The album is 8 1/4 by 8 3/4. You have the black linen binding, and the albums come in the traditional Doodlebug colors. So anything that you see the color on the spine will reflect the color of the inside. So in this case, this is a black album, a black spine. So our insides, some of our insides are going to be black. Nice white cover there. As we move to the inside, you have 10 pocket pages. So you have 4 of the 6x8 pocket pages. You have then 2 each of 3 additional pocket pages. So you have 2 4x6 4x6s, 2 4x6 3x4, and then you have 2 of your 4 3x4s. From there, you have a number of different heavy-duty cardstock pages that have pockets built in. So you have 2 with the bottom pocket, and you have 2 with the side pocket. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the polka dot inserts. And this is where I mentioned where the color of the spine will reflect the color of the inserts. So 4 of those. And then you have 5 heavy duty white chipboard dividers. So that, that album is just chock full of goodness. So that makes up the contents of the kit. As I mentioned in the description box of the video, you will see a link to purchase that project kit. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave a comment on the email, or excuse me, leave a comment on the video, or go to laylebymail.com, click contact us. Type your question in and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.